Are you still handwriting your consumer unit labels or attempting to piece together the ones provided in the box, ending up with something that resembles a ransom note? Then take a look at this. The Brady M211 label printer. Labeling a circuit to identify the equipment or area it controls is not just helpful for building owners, it's a requirement in wiring regulations that states that circuits must be clearly identified and appropriate for their environment. In other words, proper labeling isn't optional, it's essential for compliance. Gone are the days, like in Gary's time, when circuits were limited to lighting, sockets and a cooker.
Whoa, Rick, this thing here is a thing of beauty, unlike the consumer units that Gordon used to fit that had a fuse neutral. It just needs a few labels. Lights, sockets and the cooker.
Today's electrical boards are far more complex, often packed with extensive circuit protection. This increased complexity demands larger boards and more detailed labelling to correctly identify each circuit. Meeting these standards could be challenging if your handwriting isn't exceptionally neat and precise. Investing time in clear, professional labelling not only ensures compliance, but also makes life significantly easier for everyone involved in managing the building. These days, we've got the added pressure of Instagram. Imagine posting a poorly written label and getting roasted by electricians worldwide in the comments. Truly shocking. So in this video I will show you how to create a top-class consumer unit label using this Brady M211 printer. For an example, I'm going to make a circuit identification label for this Luden consumer unit. I've installed a selection of single, double and triple width devices to demonstrate the flexibility of this printer. You'll need to have the Brady Express Labels app on your phone, and it's a simple process to connect to the printer using Bluetooth. In the app, I'm going to use the breaker box function, a hint perhaps that our American electrician friends are already on board. Start by selecting the number of modules on your board. For reference, this board is 17 modules wide. Within our team, there was some debate about the exact width of a single DIN module. Some argued it's 17.5 millimeters, while others claimed 18 millimeters. While the difference may seem small, those fractions of a millimeter can add up across a row, potentially causing label alignment issues. After careful measurement, we determined the width to be 17.5 millimeters. If your board includes modules of different widths, adjustments are simple. Just increase the number of modules in the desired spots along the row. The app features an intuitive graphical interface with a real-time preview, ensuring what you see is exactly what you'll get. This allows you to review and perfect the label's appearance before printing, helping to prevent wasted materials and making corrections or adjustments effortless. To ensure readability, we've chosen a fixed font size that automatically adjusts to the module's width, distributing text across multiple lines as needed. You can mix the format of fonts across the label. This link button applies the same font style to all modules. Unselect this option, we can make adjustments to an individual label. For instance, we might want to make the main switch more prominent. You can also customize the separator between modules. Options include solid lines, dash lines, or ticks, a small mark at the tape's edge. Alternatively, you can choose to omit the separator entirely. The flexibility ensures your labels are tailored to your specific needs. Text alignment for this board is set to horizontal, choosing vertical flips at 90 degrees, which is useful if you want to use the same approach on a three-phase board. Once you've finalized your design, then you are ready to print. It's as easy as that Instagram ready labels. This device isn't just for circuit labels, it's incredibly versatile. It also features wizards for creating terminal block labels, data patch panels, cable flags and cable wraps, making it ideal for identifying larger diameter bonding conductors. There's a large array of symbols. Here's a DC one I made earlier. You can produce labels with QR codes or input your company logo to get the jobs branded up, or free advertising as I call it. The printer accommodates tapes up to 19.1 millimeters in width, 3/4 inch in old money, and offers a diverse selection of materials available in continuous rolls and pre-cut shapes. For more specialized applications, it even supports heat shrink materials. Brady authentic consumables are designed to work seamlessly with your Brady printer, no matter the conditions. Brady's crisp, long-lasting labels are built to withstand cold, heat moisture and extreme weathering, so your critical info stays clear and legible. And if you need proof, they've got the data to back it up. Be warned, cheap labels might look the part at first, but give it time. Low quality adhesives mean they'll be peeling off faster than a bad paint job. I'll provide a link so you can explore the complete range. Swapping between materials is quick and effortless. Flip the catch and press the button on the side of the printer to eject the cartridge and slot in a new one. The Express Label app recognizes what is installed in the printer and flags up a warning of compatibility issues. No more guessing games. When the warning light starts blinking, you'll get a clear error message right in the Brady app, along with step-by-step instructions on how to fix it. This printer stands out with several impressive features. Its sturdy, durable design can reportedly withstand drops from heights of up to 1.8 meters, ensuring reliability even in tough environments. The built-in rechargeable battery, powered via a convenient USB-C connection, makes charging effortless on the go. Portability is another key advantage. You can clip it to your belt, wear it with a lanyard around your neck, or use an optional magnetic attachment to secure it to a distribution board. If you're like me and enjoy taking the time to explore an app's features to create the perfect label, you're going to love this. Not only can you master the functions yourself, but you can also share your creations with colleagues to help them level up their labelling game. And for those whose hands are full, watch this. Make me a label that says, "Thanks for watching." Brady's voice assistant lets you create labels using just your voice, no typing, no hassle, just say it, print it and get on with the job. And for those who aren't fans of apps, here's the best part. Almost everything you've seen here can be accomplished using the M210 printer, so check out the shot on screen here. Thanks for watching.